Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Jay Sparkle here. So today you guys, I am going to do another eye look for mature eyes over 60. So this is a palette that I'm going to use today, and it's from Juvia's Place and is the Warrior Second Juvia's Place by Juvia. This is the palette I'm going to use. So these are the color right here that I'm going to play into today, you guys. And if it's your first time here, I just want to welcome you to my channel, and I just want to thank you for stopping by my channel. So today we are going to go into the first color, which is this color here, which is a purple color. So if you want to see, continue watching. So my friend, I am back. So for my lips today, this is my nude lipstick from MAC. This is what I use on my lip with pencil. I have the MAC pencil, so I just line my lip and then apply this over my lip and put a little gloss over it because this is a matte lipstick. So this is what I use on my lip to get this very pretty nude lip. And for my color for my eyes, I went back to my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette, the Warrior third by Juvia's Place. This is what I use, and you guys, I can't get enough of these eyeshadow palette. They are amazing. They blend so good. The color are very, very pretty in the palette. So this is the color. So today I use this one in the inner corner of my eyes, and then I use this one to blend over this one here to make sure that I blend the hash line. And then I mix this one and this one together, these two. I apply it in my inner eyes there. So these are the two colors that I use for my inner eyes, and you can see mix the two together are amazing. And then I use this above, and then I use this a part of my crease, and you can see I have these eyeshadow for a while. My friend in the state, I asked to buy them, I think so, for me, but they are still working perfectly fine. So and then my hair braid was done by a Ghanaian hair braider, and I really love this hair, you guys, that I asked her to apply. It just suit me, like this is me, 60 and over. So this is what I have in for a week now. So I just want to say, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, turn on notification bell, that when I upload a video you can be notified. And I want to say God bless you, love you as always, and peace out, my friend.